Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get deleted WhatsApp chats without backup. So if you have deleted your WhatsApp chats or maybe for any other reason you don't have the backup and you also want to get recover your deleted chats, then I'll show you how it can be possible. So to get back your deleted chats, you have to go to your file manager, and once you get there, you have to go to my phone, and then you have to go to internal space or internal storage. Once you get there, you will find a lot of different files. From all these files, you have to go to the Android. If you have the option for WhatsApp, you can also go for it, and then you have to go to the media files, and then you have to choose the WhatsApp related option. Once you click onto it, you have to click on WhatsApp, and then you have to go in databases, and there you will find all these files. Basically, these files are your local backup. These are not uploaded on the WhatsApp, these are installed or you can say available in your mobile phone. You have to simply select all of these files and copy them. We don't know which one is the exact file where your deleted files or deleted chats are available. So, for that reason, you have to select all of these files and then you have to copy them. Once you have copied them, you have to simply get back to the files and then you have to go to this option backup, and after that you have to simply paste the files that we have copied, and then you have to go to the WhatsApp. There you will find all of your chats back that you have deleted and you did not have the backup for it. So that's how you can recover deleted chats without backup. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.